Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be having a day in the life with me and my family, but we're gonna head out to Starbucks to get the day started, and we're gonna tackle this messy house. So let's get started. I got me a tomato mozzarella panini. These are the bomb.com. And then I got me a new drink. It is a cold brew with extra vanilla cream and caramel drizzle. It's amazing. We are home now and we're going through the kitchen. I got some new pots and pans for Christmas that I am so excited about. They are the Pioneer Woman ones. So we're getting rid of the old ones, and now I am going to start on the dishes. So here I am reorganizing Stella's side of the kitchen. I'm spraying it down with Mrs. Meyer's, and then I'm going to change out the towel that we lay her bottles on when they're drying. And now we're doing the dishes in the dishwasher, taking the clean ones out, and then I'm going to put some dirty ones in. So now to do the dishes that I have to wash with my hands and not put in the dishwasher. But I'm filling up the sink with some dish soap and just cleaning out all the nastiness that was in the sink. So now it is full. Now I'm washing her bottle rack to have it all neat for when I put her bottles on there. And then I'm washing a few dishes. I am going through all the pots and pans that I just got for Christmas, and I am re-washing those so we can put those up all neat. Now I'm putting my pots and pans up that I just washed, and now I'm going back to the sink and washing the ones that I don't want anymore, just so I can have them clean and put those away somewhere or give those away. I'm not sure yet what I'm going to do with those. And now I'm going to clean all of her bottles. Do you guys have a certain bottle brush you use? Because I have to use 2 of them just because I don't know which one's better, and one cleans better than the other, just depending on the type of bottle. But we do like to use the Dr. Brown bottles. Jared is opening Stella's Christmas present. Got your turtle? Whoa! So back to cleaning now. I am taking out all the pans and spraying Mrs. Meyer's to just get it all clean before we put the pots and pans back in. And another thing I did was I washed the pots and pans before I put them back in. And now I'm doing it to this other cabinet here. This year I want to try to keep everything reorganized since the New Year's is coming up, and I know that people say this a lot, new year, new me, but I really want to have a cleaner, healthier lifestyle, so I hope this will help me out and help you guys out. So back to Stella's side, now I'm just reorganizing, decorating a little bit. That's what I love to do the most, and I'm respraying down the coffee bar, and then I'm going to wipe down our I need coffee sign with some Mrs. Meyer's to get all of the nastiness off of it. And now I am reorganizing our cup cabinet and putting all the coffee cups on one shelf and the cups on the other. And then down here we have a little desk in our kitchen. We don't really use it yet as a desk, but I'm just making it all clean, wiping it down, and organizing everything basically. To the stove now slash oven, we are taking all the parts and pieces apart, and this stove was disgusting, so we're getting it all clean with some Mrs. Meyer's, just spraying it down and wiping it down. You guys should do this also, just so you can have a cleaner oven for your new year. So the pieces that we took off of the stove, I'm letting those soak in some bleach and soap just to get them all clean, and then I'm spraying down the stove. We are taking the tree down, getting rid of all the Christmas decor. We're not getting rid of it, we're putting it up for next year. I'm so sad that Christmas is over, but I'm so ready to have my house back to normal and not have to worry about all the decorations, so let's do that. So the tree is gone now, and I'm taking down the other Christmas decor and putting them in this little Christmas bag here until we can get a tote. And then I'm going to re-vacuum the floor after I move the table and everything, just so I can get a better clean with this vacuum that I have here, and just get everything on the way to do the vacuuming. So now I'm putting Stella's toys in this little basket here that I got at Target a long time ago. And then I'm going to put the table back in the middle of the living room, spray it down with some Mrs. Meyer's. No, this video is not sponsored by Mrs. Meyer's. I just like Mrs. Meyer's a lot. And then I'm going to put Stella's toy together. This toy is so cool, but it is a pain to put together. Do you have this toy for your little ones? If so, comment down below. Hope you enjoyed my video. It was basically all we did today was clean. We're still not finished, but that's where we're gonna end today, just to settle down for the rest of the evening. But I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and tell all your friends and family to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.